In this video, we will show you how to add an image to the pricing table widget. You can add it to an existing cell or press the plus to add a new one. Hover on your chosen cell and press Edit Cell. In the editing panel, choose Image in the Content Type field. Choose an image you want to display from the Media Manager. You can also adjust the image size and add a link. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Press the bell button to get notifications if you don't want to miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching!